How to mirror YouTube video from iPhone to Apple TV. Hello everyone, I am Vishakha and welcome to our channel Create, Login and Delete. Let's get right into the tutorial and open YouTube application. Play any video of your choice. Now if you tap on the video, you will see the button which allow you to connect to other Apple devices around you. Click on AirPlay and Bluetooth devices. You will see all the Apple devices around you now. For video purpose, I will connect to my MacBook instead of Apple TV. You can see it is connected now. Click on the play button to play the video and you can easily control the video on your TV by your mobile phone itself. In order to disconnect, click on the same button you clicked on to connect to Apple TV and then click on device name and it will be disconnected. If you find this tutorial helpful, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for staying with us until the end.